can't believe that I'm driving this thing. It's finally out. A few things I need to do, but for now we're gonna put some water, distilled water here, just in case it leaks. It's gonna leak water, not coolant. Not bad for your pocket, not bad for the environment. Let's run it again. So we're gonna go for a little ride, just around the block. With the computer, so we're gonna check and see what's going on. Okay, I can't go too far because look at my AFR where it is, my gauge. So I'm gonna start a log. The log is gonna tell me everything. So let's just start the car. Nice. Starts, idles, and we start the log. So no speed, no RPM. Alright, at least it doesn't die anymore. And then back to the crib. And now we're gonna analyze the logs. Yeah, it's riding quite nice. Run analysis. And we change those numbers here. See, 72. Red means it took some gas, blue means it added gas. So this is what I'm gonna keep doing. It's gonna be a long process. I'm not gonna say painful because it's actually fun. I can't believe that I'm driving this thing. 1 year with this in the garage, another year working on the engine. I was supposed to get this engine done in less than 3 months, but you know, some things happened and couldn't do it. Excuse, I didn't do it. So I'm super stoked. Car's out. I need to make a bracket, exhaust. But this here is what I'm looking for. I need to get this tubing done somehow this way down. Intercooler, bang, bang. And then here I need to remove this beautiful bracket I made. Poke a hole in there and this is gonna go through the hole. I'm not quite sure how am I gonna do this, but it doesn't quite matter. We got this far, we're not gonna stop now. This thing is gonna rip. Thank you all for the support. Don't forget to watch the next videos, subscribe, there is way more coming. And